Greetings to all. Today's our topic is nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is used by life forms to carry out many of the functions of life. For example, it is needed for the formation of proteins, amino acids, and nucleic acids. It is very important to plant life. Air contains about 78% nitrogen, yet nitrogen in its gaseous form is almost entirely unusable to life forms. It must first be converted into a more usable form, mainly soluble nitrates. The circulation of nitrogen through living things and non-living environment is called nitrogen cycle. The steps involved in nitrogen cycle are: first, nitrogen fixation, second, nitrogen assimilation, third, ammonification, fourth, nitrification, and the last, denitrification. Now let us begin with first step, nitrogen fixation. The conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds is called nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation occurs by two ways. First, lightning. Lightning causes high temperature which results in a reaction between nitrogen and oxygen present in air to produce oxides of nitrogen. These dissolve in rainwater forming dilute nitric acid. This nitric acid reacts with the alkalis of the soil like limestone to turn into nitrates. Second, biological nitrogen fixation. Leguminous plants contain rhizobium bacteria in their root nodules. These bacteria can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into nitrogen compounds. Some cyanobacteria also fix atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Second step, nitrogen assimilation. Plants absorb nitrates from the soil and convert them into plant proteins. The herbivorous animals eat green plants and convert the plant proteins into animal proteins. The herbivorous animals are then eaten by carnivorous animals. This process of conversion of inorganic nitrogen compounds into organic compounds that become a part of living organism is called nitrogen assimilation. Third step, ammonification. When plants and animals die, their remains are converted into ammonia and ammonium compounds by decay bacteria and fungi, that is decomposer, present in the soil. This process is called ammonification. Fourth step, nitrification. Ammonium salt in the soil is converted first into nitrites by nitrosomonas bacteria. These nitrites are then converted into nitrates by nitrobacter bacteria. These bacteria are called nitrifying bacteria. The nitrates so formed in the soil can once again be absorbed by the plants. This process is called nitrification. Now last step, denitrification. Some of the nitrates are absorbed by plants. Rest of the nitrates in the soil are converted by Pseudomonas bacteria into nitrogen gas that escapes into the atmosphere. This process is called denitrification. Thus, the nitrogen cycle maintains the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere.